Good morning, students. Hope you all are fit and fine at home. Today, we are going to learn the topic ascending and descending orders. So, what are ascending orders? Ascending orders means increasing order. We write the numbers from the smallest to the greatest as we move upstairs. जैसे हम सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ते हैं नीचे से ऊपर, ऐसे ही हम ascending orders में number लिखते हैं. The smallest number comes first, then the next greatest number, and like this we keep on writing the next greater number, and lastly we write the greatest number. For example, here you can see some numbers: 29,654, 40,865, 39,572, 1,09,754. So, first of all, we will check which number is smallest as we write from smallest to greatest in ascending order. तो सबसे छोटा नंबर कौन सा है इसमें? Yes, 29,654. Then next number is 39,572. Then उसके बाद क्या लिखेंगे? 40,865. और लास्ट में क्या लिखेंगे? 1,09,754. So we have already write it in ascending order. Now, what is descending orders? Descending order means decreasing order. Here, the biggest number or the greatest number comes first as we move downstairs. जैसे हम सीढ़ियाँ उतरते हैं, बड़े से छोटे की तरफ चलते हैं. Here, we write the greatest number first and then the smaller number. And like this, we keep on writing the next smaller number. And lastly, we write the smallest number. For example, here are some numbers written on the slide. You have to arrange them in decreasing order. So, to arrange them in decreasing order, first of all, we will write the greatest number. इसमें greatest number कौन सा है? Yes, 1,09,754. Then 40,865. Then very good, 39,572. And last number is 29,654. Very good. Now, our next topic is formation of numbers from the given digits. Now, how will we form the number from the given digits? For example, 51892 is given to you and you have to form the numbers. So, you can write it as 18925 or 15928 or 92518 or 81529. But if I want to write the smallest number from the given digits, what will we have to do? Yes, we have to write it in ascending order. For example, we will write 12589 and it will become 12,589. तो हमारा सबसे smallest number क्या बनेगा? 12,589. And similarly, if we want to write the largest number and we want to form the largest number from this, we will write it in descending order. कैसे लिखेंगे? Descending order में. For example, 9852. Now, let us see another example. We have given 0, 3, 5, 6, 8. So, if we want to make the smallest number, we will write it in ascending order. So, it will be 03568. But this is not a 5-digit number. So the smallest 5-digit number will be 30568. अब इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, जो स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर है उसको आगे लिखेंगे और 0 को उसके बाद लिखेंगे. And largest 5-digit number will be 86530. Okay, I hope you all have understood this. Thank you.